most of you might be studying in some colleges or in some other universities. But me as a person who worked with Rohit Vemla in the Ambedkar Students Association, who has seen closely what Rohit Vemla is, that after his institutional murder, that how four Dalit scholars has to go through the pain, and the Ambedkar Students Association members, that what kind of a pain that they have gone through, it is immeasurable, because there is no single month that the Ambedkar Students Association members have not gone to the either a Kukatpalli court or a High Court of Telangana. Every time, me along with my colleague, every time the judge asked us to come, me along with my colleague in the morning, we had to rush to the High Court. And after we went there, the police will do time pass there, because it has been 8 years. They have given me a 60 pages of report that has been not even conducted properly or unbiased. It is from the starting till the ending. It reflects the idea and propaganda of the BJP, RSS and ABVP. Basically, whatever BJP and ABVP has been throwing malicious propaganda on Rohit Vemla and ABVP, the same has been reflected in the report. The kind of language that police has used, there is no law that Telangana police can choose to. Friends, the 60 pages of report, whenever judge asked them that where is the report, they used to simply say that we are about to file. Next hearing we will submit to the court. In that way only 4 years have gone. But when we see this report has been compiled by the previous ACPs, those who are the stooges of BJP. The present ACP merely produced in front of the court. So it is the act of BRS government along with the BJP to protect the culprits Podile Apparao, Smriti Irani, MLC Ramchandra Rao and Bandaru Dattatreya. These are the four people that they abetted the suicide of Rohit Vemla. The police have been given the duty of investigating that how university is responsible for the institutional murder of Rohit Vemla. Instead of doing that, as our friend was saying, nearly 30 pages of the report is arguing and trying to establish that Rohit Vemla is not a Dalit. Rohit Vemla has been murdered because he is born as a Dalit. Rohit Vemla has been discriminated, has been harassed by the university administration because he is Dalit, because he talks about Dalit Bahujan politics and Ambedkarite politics in the University of Hyderabad. Friends, the kind of cunningness that police have shown in the entire process of this maligning the case is actually appreciable, because when we knew that police will not file a report that is unbiasedly. We knew that they will file it unbiased, but to our shock, to our utter shock, that the words that has been used by the police we have never expected. It is a mere leaflet of the ABVP, RSS and BJP. If you see the papers of the report, it is mere the pamphlets of RSS and ABVP, whatever their propaganda, whatever their ideas about the association and the Rohit, that has been reflected in the report. In the end, friends, we have demanded the government that this this report should be withdrawn and the fresh inquiry should be happened into the case, and moreover the persons who have done the inquiry, the person who pretended to be done the inquiry on the Rohit Vemula should be prosecuted, should be booked under the SC/ST Atrocity Prevention Act. And I appreciate and revolutionary Jai Bhim to all the spirits that you have shown here, even after 8 years of institutional matter of Rohit. It is very commendable. Friends, that let us be united. That fight again has started just now, because they might have thought that Rohit Vemula has been forgotten. Rohit Vemula is not a thing to forget. He is a phenomenon. He will be remembered for years to come and the generations to come, and he will be an icon for the student movements in general and the Dalit student movement in particular. I thank each and everyone, each and every organization who have joined to show our strength to the government and the society that we are united here in the university, and we will keep the struggle on and we will fight till the Rohit get justice. Jai Bhim.
Friends, we have seen, I implore you to go back